Unlocking the mystery. Understanding evaluation criteria. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used but often misunderstood phrase, evaluation criteria. Whether you're preparing for exams, working on a project, or just curious about how assessments are made, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's get started and shed some light on evaluation criteria. Evaluation criteria refer to the standards or benchmarks used to assess the quality, effectiveness, or performance of something. These criteria serve as a guideline for evaluators to rate or judge work, projects, or performances. Think of them as a checklist that highlights what is important in the evaluation process. Whether it's for academic purposes, job performance reviews, or competitions, evaluation criteria ensure that assessments are fair, transparent, and objective. Understanding the evaluation criteria is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps individuals know what is expected of them, guiding them on how to focus their efforts and improve. For teachers, employers, or judges, it offers a clear framework to assess work consistently and fairly. Moreover, transparent criteria prevent misunderstandings and disputes about results, making sure everyone is on the same page regarding what constitutes success or excellence. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some common examples of evaluation criteria. 1. Quality of work. This might include accuracy, thoroughness, and attention to detail. 2. Creativity and originality, especially in fields like art, design, and writing. How unique and innovative the work is can be a key criterion. 3. Timeliness, meeting deadlines or completing tasks within a given time frame. 4. Teamwork and collaboration, how well an individual works within a team setting. 5. Presentation. This could involve the clarity, organization, and visual appeal of presented work. Each context will have its own specific set of criteria, tailored to what is being evaluated. To make the most out of evaluation criteria, whether you're being evaluated or doing the evaluating, consider the following tips. 1. Understand the criteria. Make sure you fully grasp each criterion and how it will be measured. 2. Ask for clarification. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to ask for more details or examples. 3. Use them as a guide. For learners and professionals alike, use the criteria as a roadmap to structure your work or improve your skills. 4. Provide feedback. If you're evaluating, offer constructive feedback based on the criteria to help others improve. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of evaluation criteria for you. Remember, whether you're aiming to ace an exam, excel in your career, or just understand the principles of fair assessment, knowing about evaluation criteria is a step in the right direction. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, and keep striving for excellence.